Good morning, dear students. I am Mahesh Das Mahant, your English teacher. Today we will study a poem, Rebel, okay, composed by Dennis Joseph Enright. In short, we can say DJ Enright, a British academic, poet, novelist, and a critic. Dear students, before starting the poem, I want to put a question. Do you know what is rebel? Okay, dear friends, a rebel is a person who always disagrees with you or with your friends. Okay, with you or with your friends, or likes to do the opposite of what everyone likes. They should do or what everyone loves to do. Dear students, in these poems, we are starting to explain the poem very well. So pay attention and listen carefully. In the first lines, in these lines, when everybody has short hair, the rebel lets his hair grow long. Dear students, in these lines, the poet expresses that when the custom of everybody is to love short hair, the rebel's attitude is to love to grow long hair. Dear students, he wants to look different from the society. Okay, so he grow his long hair. Okay, it means he want to show a distinguished position or look appearance in society. Okay, in this next lines, when everybody has long hair, the rebel cuts his hair short. In these lines, we can say that the poet says that when the customs of society is to love long hair, just opposite, the rebel wants his hair cut and he keeps his hair short. It means he was just opposite from the society. Okay, and now another lines we can say, when everybody talks during the lesson, the rebel doesn't say a word. In these lines, the poet expressed that when in meeting times or a lesson times, everyone is talking, asking question, or giving a suggestion or something else, the rebels keep quiet during, not say a single word. He remains keep quiet. Okay, it means he saw his significance to a society. In the next lines, when nobody talks during the lesson, the rebels create a disturbance. In the another situation, when the custom of society is to be keep calm, the rebels creates a disturbance, make interference, disturbance, and he talks loudly in front of the meetings or lessons, and show his presence in a different manner. In another lines, when everybody wears a uniform, the rebels' dresses is fantastic clothes. In these lines, the poet says that when everybody wear a simple uniform, the rebels wear a fantastic dress, and so his presence. And next line, so when the everybody wears a fantastic dress, the rebels wears a simply dress, soberly dress. In Saudi party or another functions, when everybody wears fantastic, he looks very simple dress. In the company of dog lovers, the rebel expresses a preferences for cats. When everyone likes to company of dogs, the rebels likes to company of cats. In the company of cats lovers, the rebels puts in good word for the dogs. And when in the society is to be lovers for the cat, the rebels put good word for the dogs. In this way, we can say that everybody is praising the sun when everybody is liking to sun, and rebel remarks to the need for rain. He likes rain during this time. When everybody is greeting the rain, and the rebel regrets the absence of sun. When everybody likes the sun, and he regrets, he feels sorry for the sun. In the next lines, when everybody goes to meeting, and he stayed at home. When everybody go to meeting in fair or something else, he stayed at home and read book. And when everybody stayed at home, he goes to the meeting. When everybody says yes please, the rebel says no thank you. When everybody have a affirmative answer, then rebels is a negative answer. When everybody says no thank you, the rebel says yes please. When everybody has a negative answer, the rebel has a positive answer. It is very good that we have rebels. You may not find it very good to be one. It is good for society, but it is not so good to show and to behave like this. Okay, in this poems, you can say that the contrast between the rebels so just opposite, and he saw his presence to the society. This is the main central idea of this poem. I think, dear students, you have understood the poem very well. If you have any confusion, any doubt, you can contact me without any hesitation. Okay, till thank you. Have a nice day.